Quesadillas. Ingredients: 6 to 8 flour tortillas, 20 cm/8. 2 cups, 200 grams, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, or other of choice. Note 1. 3/4 cup roughly chopped coriander, cilantro. 1 cup corn kernels, frozen, thawed or drained. 1 filling of choice, below, beef, chicken or vegetable. Quesadilla spice mix. 1 teaspoon each onion powder, dried oregano, salt. 2 teaspoons each cumin powder, paprika. 1/4 of a teaspoon each black pepper, cayenne pepper, optional. Choose 1 filling. Beef filling. Half a tablespoon olive oil. 2 garlic cloves, minced. Half onion, finely chopped. 500 grams, 1 pound ground beef, mince. 1 small red capsicum, bell peppers, diced. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 1/4 cup, 65 milliliters, water. Chicken filling. 2½ tablespoons olive oil. 500 grams/1 pound chicken thighs, skinless, boneless. Note 2. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 small onion, quartered and sliced. 1 small red capsicum, bell pepper, diced. Vegetable filling. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can of black beans, drained, 400 grams/14 ounces. 1 capsicum, bell pepper, diced, any color. 1 cup corn, canned, drained or frozen, thawed. 1/4 cup tomato paste. 1/4 cup, 65 milliliters, water. Instructions. Quesadillas. Place tortilla on work surface. Sprinkle one side with a bit of cheese, top with filling of choice. Sprinkle with corn, coriander and top with cheese. Fold in half. Preheat non-stick skillet over medium-low heat, no oil. If pan is not non-stick, use 2 teaspoons oil. Place quesadilla in skillet, press down lightly, cover with lid. Cook for 3 minutes until underside is super golden brown and crispy. Carefully flip over the folded edge, see video. Press down lightly. Cook for 3 minutes until crispy, no lid. Transfer to cutting board, cut in half. Serve immediately. Dipping sauce options: sour cream, salsa, avocado sauce, pictured. Spice mix. Mix ingredients in a small bowl. Use for one of the fillings options below. Filling options. Beef filling. Heat oil in a skillet over high heat. Add onion and garlic, cook for 2 minutes. Add beef and cook, breaking it up as you go. Once it changes from pink to brown, add capsicum. Cook for 1 minute. Add tomato paste, water and spice mix. Cook for 2 minutes. Transfer to bowl, cool. Chicken filling. Drizzle chicken with 1 tablespoon oil, toss to coat. Sprinkle over spice mix, toss well to coat. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large skillet over high heat. Add onion and garlic, cook for 2 minutes. Add capsicum and cook for 1 minute. Transfer to bowl, cool. Return pan to stove, reduce to medium heat. Add remaining ½ tablespoon oil. Add chicken and cook for 3 minutes until deep golden. Turn and cook for 3 minutes until cooked through. Transfer chicken to cutting board, rest for 2 minutes, then dice and cool. Combine with capsicum mixture. Vegetable filling. Heat oil in a skillet over high heat. Add onion and garlic, cook for 2 minutes. Add capsicum, cook for 1 minute. Add beans, corn, tomato paste, water and spice mix. Cook for 2 minutes. Transfer to bowl, cool.